Pickup Truck of the Year winner, 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. The 18 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali earned a spot in our test this year, treating us to a leather-wrapped, heavy-hauling, tire-burning good time. The Denali was one of two diesel rigs in our lineup, with only the Ram 3500 as competition in the diesel-powered HD bracket. It was the Denali's new diesel power plant that secured the truck's eligibility in this year's test, as the L5P Duramax is completely new and redesigned, sharing little more than displacement with the outgoing LML. To address the elephant, the L5P-eqipped Sierra was technically new for 17, but GM couldn't provide us an example in time for last year's test due to late production, therefore its eligibility carried over to this year. Let us talk numbers. Our Denali's 6.6 liters V8 led the fleet in horsepower, churning out 445 horsepower and 915 pounds-to-foot of tire-burning torque. All this power was transferred to the ground through an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. We found most fun to do burnouts! Scrawled in one logbook, a testament to the powertrain's sample performance in reserve. The Duramax Plus package, which included the L5P engine, chrome recovery hooks, we'll talk about those later, and heated towing mirrors, added $9,550 to the base price of the Denali, bringing our total price as tested to $71,035. While that may seem steep, that's just the price you pay for the HD diesel life these days.